First day ownership with my dream car. Let me give you guys an update. It's not this G-Wagon. It's this one right over here. The 1993 Swiss Army purchased G-Wagon. Look at that. As you guys know, I took delivery of this car yesterday. I'm still learning to play with it. It's got a lot of things that I don't know how to do yet. And because it's a diesel and I've never owned one before, there's a few things I might need some help with, but this is what she looks like. So of course, the first thing you're gonna notice, it is a soft top. Now the soft top is latched on with these leather clips, which is pretty cool. And you can roll these up all around and the bed becomes completely open, which is pretty nice. Of course, it has a jerry can for water or for gas. I think water would be best used, or maybe gas, I don't know. And then it has a spare tire. It has the original Swiss Army steel wheels with 32s on there. It does have an inch, I believe, or an inch and a half lift kit. All right, let's open it up. Opens up just like any other G-Wagon. And as you guys can see, on the inside, it was made to carry troops. So those are the bench seats to carry them. This is the passenger side. That is the driver's side. And then, of course, we have manual window ups and window downs and manual side mirrors over here. And the model is right here, 230 GE. Pretty cool car. And if you know G-Wagons, you know you gotta slam to make sure the door is shut. Other than that, it's got 2 power supplies in the back with this massive tow hitch, as you guys can see. I'm assuming you're towing some really big stuff with this vehicle. And then, of course, you have the whatever that is written on the G-Wagon. The plates are coming. The plates are not here yet. They're coming. All right, let's open up the vehicle. Let me show you guys what it looks like on the inside from the driver's side. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's pretty tight. If I was a little taller, this would actually be not practical and very, very uncomfortable as a vehicle. So a few things that I like about it. It is an automatic. It has this transfer case that I don't know what exactly it is. AC kind of sort of works, not really, but kind of sort of does work. And it has these 2 aftermarket things, which I don't know what they are exactly. All right, and it has a special way to start, which kind of sucks. So let me put in the key. And because it's a diesel, I think the glow plug situation needs to be resolved. It was starting just fine all day. I don't know what I did, and I think I messed it up. Let's try to start it and see if we can get it to start. Oh, almost started right there. All right, let's try again. We're gonna wait for the glow plugs to settle in. Wait a little bit. That's what the forums have said, so that's what I'm gonna do. No. So yeah, if anyone knows how to start this thing every time perfectly, let me know, because I started, sometimes it starts, sometimes it doesn't, so I don't know what exactly I'm doing wrong, and I'm sure it's something I'm doing wrong. Anyways, this little lever controls the high beams. I still don't know how to turn on the lights on this car. I've looked everywhere. I can't find any buttons or levers or nothing, so I don't know where that is exactly. It has a CB radio. That's aftermarket, obviously. It has a cutoff switch, and that looks like that was put by the army. All in all, it's going to be a really fun vehicle. I'm super excited to drive this around town. I'm sure it's going to get crazy looks, which is like super exciting. So what do you guys think?